Hi everybody, Dave from Spear Lapidary here, bringing you back a few years ago. Uh, I had to take a tree down that was right outside the side entrance to my shop, but the real reason was the emerald ash borer had gotten into it and was killing the tree, so the tree had to go. I hired a local company, figured they'd bring a bucket truck, but instead they climbed it. This was awesome, it was fun to watch. Um, Scary job, but they did it professionally and took care of the problem just like I needed them to. So thanks. All right, well, I'm sitting where that tree was. Um, Tree's gone, stump's gone, grass is growing back in. It's actually been a couple of years. And then I got a couple of things behind me that we're putting up. I've got a raised bed garden I put over there. And to my left, your right, I've got a compost bin. So that's it. I just thought I'd show you that, something different for the shop.